With the help of industry experts, I have put together this list of the top 70 Salesforce interview questions and answers to help you get ready for your interview. Hopefully, this will help you land a great job in a field you love. If you have recently attended an interview, feel free to share any questions you were asked. Our experts will be happy to answer them for you. Salesforce Basics, Common Interview Questions for Beginners. 1. What is Salesforce? Salesforce is a cloud-based tool that helps businesses manage their customers. It allows companies to track sales, marketing, and customer service all in one place. 2. What is a custom object in Salesforce? A custom object is something you create in Salesforce to store special types of data that aren't covered by the standard tools. Salesforce already has built-in objects like accounts, contacts, and opportunities, but custom objects let businesses track information unique to them. 3. What can a custom object do? A custom object allows users to store specific business data, add custom fields to collect different types of information, create organized layouts for better viewing. 4. What is self-relationship in Salesforce? Self-relationship means linking records of the same object. This is useful for organizing data in a structured way, like connecting employees to their managers or grouping related products together. 5. What causes data loss in Salesforce? Data loss can happen due to deleting records by mistake, errors when uploading data. 6. What's the difference between triggers and workflows? Both are automation tools, but they work differently. Triggers, written in Apex code, they handle complex tasks, like updating multiple records at once or sending notifications based on specific actions. Workflows, easier to use, they perform simple actions like sending emails, updating fields, or creating tasks when conditions are met. 7. What is the difference between Force.com and Salesforce.com? Salesforce.com is the CRM software that helps businesses manage sales, marketing, and customer service. Force.com is the platform developers use to build custom applications on top of Salesforce. 8. Is there a limit on data.com records? Yes, Salesforce limits how many records businesses can access through data.com, depending on their plan. 9. What's the difference between static and dynamic dashboards? 1. Static dashboards show the same data every time they are viewed. 2. Dynamic dashboards update automatically with real-time information. 10. How can you avoid hitting governor limits? Write efficient code to handle multiple records at once. Use built-in tools to process large amounts of data. Avoid running unnecessary database queries. 11. Can you edit Apex classes in production? No, changes should be made in a test environment first and then safely transferred to the live system. 12. What is a workflow in Salesforce? A workflow is an automatic process that performs actions like sending emails or updating records when certain conditions are met. 13. What are permission sets? Permission sets let admins give users extra access to features without changing their main roles. 14. What are validation rules? Validation rules ensure that data entered in Salesforce follows certain guidelines, reducing errors. 15. What is a fiscal year in Salesforce? A fiscal year is a 12-month period used by businesses for financial planning. It doesn't always start in January, companies can choose their own start dates. 16. What are the types of SOQL queries? SOQL, Salesforce Object Query Language, is used to search Salesforce data. Types include: 1. Basic queries, pull simple records. 2. Relationship queries, connect data from different objects. 3. Aggregate queries, perform calculations like sums and averages. 17. What is Salesforce Lightning? Salesforce Lightning is a modern version of the platform with a better user interface and advanced features to improve speed and efficiency. 18. How does Salesforce track sales? Salesforce tracks sales through: 1. Opportunities, potential deals in progress. 2. activities, calls, emails, and meetings related to sales. 3. Reports and dashboards, tools to measure sales performance. 4. Pipelines, visual charts showing the stages of each deal. 19. How does Salesforce track sales? Salesforce keeps track of sales in different ways, including opportunities. These are records of possible sales. They contain details about the customer, the product or service being sold, the expected closing date, and the chance of making the sale. Activities. These include tasks and interactions related to a sale, like phone calls, emails, meetings, or to-do lists. Reports and dashboards. Salesforce offers different reports and dashboards that show sales performance. Pipelines. Pipelines are charts that show the steps of the sales process, from the first contact to a final sale. 20. What is a static resource in Salesforce? A static resource in Salesforce is a file that can be used in a Visual Force page. These files can include images, styles, JavaScript, or other types of files. Static resources are stored on Salesforce's global network, making them easy to access from anywhere. 21. What are the 3 types of object relationships in Salesforce? Lookup relationship. This is a simple connection between 2 objects. For example, an account object can have a lookup relationship with a contact object. This means one account can be linked to multiple contacts. Master detail relationship. This is a stronger connection where one object depends on another. For example, a product must always be linked to a price book. If the price book is deleted, the product is also removed. Many-to-many relationship. This connects 2 objects in a way that both can have multiple related records. For example, a user can be in many groups, and each group can have many users. 22. What is an audit trail? An audit trail in Salesforce is a feature that keeps track of changes made to records and settings. It helps users see what was changed, who changed it, and when. This ensures data accuracy and security. 23. What is a wrapper class? A wrapper class in Salesforce is a special type of Apex class that groups different types of data into one object. It helps organize and manage different kinds of information in a simple way. 24. What are the benefits of using Salesforce? Makes sales processes easier and faster, keeps customer data in one place for better service, helps teams work together efficiently. 25. What is a junction object and why is it useful? A junction object is a special type of object in Salesforce that connects 2 other objects in a many-to-many relationship. It helps link records together and organize data in a structured way. For example, if a student can enroll in many courses, and a course can have many students, a junction object called enrollment can be created to link them. 26. What are the different types of reports in Salesforce? 1. Tabular reports, show data in a simple table. Summary reports, group data and show totals. Matrix reports, display data in a grid format. Joined reports, combine data from different reports. Cross-summary reports, organize data into rows and columns. Chart reports, show data using graphs and charts. Dashboard reports, display multiple reports in one place. Historical trend reports, track changes in data over time. Lightning Report Builder, a modern tool to create custom reports easily. 27. How is SaaS beneficial in Salesforce? SaaS, software as a service, in Salesforce offers lower costs, easy access from anywhere, the ability to grow with business needs, strong security for data. 28. What can cause data loss in Salesforce? Human mistakes, accidentally deleting or changing data, system errors, problems with software or syncing data migration issues, mistakes while transferring data, integration problems, errors when connecting Salesforce with other systems, security breaches, hackers or unauthorized access. Can 2 users have the same profile? Can one user have multiple profiles? Yes, multiple users can have the same profile. For example, a sales team can all have the same sales profile with access to leads, opportunities, and customer details. However, a user can only have one profile at a time. If a user needs extra permissions, they can be given permission sets instead of a new profile. 30. What are governor limits in Salesforce? Governor limits control how much data and resources a user can use in Salesforce. Since Salesforce is shared by many companies, these limits make sure that no single user slows down the system. Conclusion: Salesforce is a useful tool that helps businesses keep track of their sales, customer details, and important data. It has many features like reports, dashboards, sharing rules, and automation that make